Stem cell research controversy. Stem cell research is one of the most controversial subjects in the scientific world at this time. This fact is due to one of the ways the cells are retrieved, which has received much media attention, but in reality there are a number of ways the cells can be collected. Many people in the scientific world, as well as the rest of the world, oppose this type of research for several different reasons. One of the ways of retrieving stem cells, which is most discussed in the media and therefore commonly known, is by way of an aborted child. The ones who are aware of this method of collection and are in opposition of abortion are against this method because they do not believe it is right to terminate a healthy pregnancy. Many of these people are religious, with their beliefs turning them against the research. Another reason people are against stem cell research is because of the fear of the unknown. The scientists working on retrieving and using the cells do not fully know what can be done in the future using this research. This ignorance is one of the biggest factors when it comes to people opposing stem cell research. These people take what they hear from the media and think that that's all there is to it. There are numerous journals, articles, books, and websites dedicated to the work of stem cell research that these individuals could inform themselves with. On the other side of the controversy, there are scientists working to further stem cell research, the companies and individuals who are funding the research, and the people who believe in this type of scientific work is what we need in our world. These people have been informed, if not shown, all the different ways stem cell research could possibly help us in the future. It has been said that stem cells could possibly be a cure for cancers, genetic disorders, blood diseases, and many types of injuries. In National Geographic magazine, it states, "The dream is to launch a medical revolution in which ailing organs and tissues may be repaired, not with crude mechanical devices like insulin pumps and titanium joints, but with living homegrown replacements." The people on this side of the fence are aware of the many different methods of retrieval, from an umbilical cord of a newborn to the collection of adult bone marrow. In fact, adult stem cells are already being used in treatments for things such as repairing a heart damaged by a heart attack. An article in Time magazine talks about the use of stem cells in repairing heart tissue, saying, "In the current study, scientists first mixed the newly developed heart cells with pre-existing heart tissue. Within days, the cells were beating together." Even though in 2001 Congress stopped all federal funding for this type of research, there are still non-profit organizations, pharmaceutical companies, research centers, and others who are funding stem cell research. As more people come to understand the potential benefits of stem cell research, along with the alternative methods of harvesting these cells, more research will be conducted and more people will be in favor of doing so. This trend has already been seen starting in 2009 with President Obama's signing of Executive Order 13505, which allows the federal government to again begin conducting new stem cell research in an effort to better understand the disabling diseases and conditions.